Hi, it's Paige Wygant Art. Today I'm going to show you what I've been up to with my artwork. So I have a collection of different works. This is just like a ocean on a wood panel, mixed media with the resin topping. This is also an ocean painting, and let's see over here. Okay, so this is a mixed media where I used silver leafing and I did watercolor on a panel, and that's got a resin topping on it, and it just kind of gives it a nice finish. And so anyhow, let's see over here. This is a small piece I did on a wood panel, abstract with lots of texture, using acrylic and gold leafing, which is just a study piece for a larger commission piece. And I used a Liquitex varnish on that. And let's see over here. Let's see, this is a ink and wash fern that I did, and it's pretty tedious actually, getting that precise. That botanical and a violet, coral, and this piece you can see it's an ink and wash. I used a little bit of shimmer, you can see here, and that gives it just a little bit extra. And then this is a wave watercolor I did. Gosh, this took a lot of work, very detailed with all the lines, and that was time consuming. This was a piece I did that's a winter scene with snow, and this is a pineapple that you could do something like put in a kitchen. I used the Karataki shimmer watercolor. I really like that. It kind of pops the pineapple off. It's really got a nice reflection, you can see. I like to do that. This is just a little ink and watercolor. It's kind of, maybe you could put maybe some initials or a name inside. I was going to use as a gift. This is just a mixed media, having some fun, a rose. This is just a coral, another red coral. It has some shimmer in it, and I really got into that for a while. Another coral that's in blue. Again, I like to put a little shimmer in that as well. You can see with all the branching. This is a tan oak leaf. I did a botanical. I have lots of tan oak leaves where I live in the Pacific Northwest, and that was detailed. This is just a whimsical butterfly that could go in a little girl's room that's got some shimmer, and it's just kind of fun. And actually, I made this for my daughter. It's kind of like a majestic, like, you could see the horse with the wings, and this was a hibiscus, again with the Karataki shimmer watercolor in the back. Just really like that shimmer paint. It's really nice. Oh, I like this is some bananas. Again, you could put this in the kitchen, and I used the Karataki blue shimmer in the back, and it really like pops the bananas off. I really like that as an accent. It's kind of nice and fun. Oh, this, I made this for my husband for Valentine's Day, actually, and it was just something fun, like hello, love, and it's like German folk arty type. Oh, and this is, I did the sunset, and I used the Derwent pastel pan set, and it's a really nice selection of colors. I like that for a subject like this, for like a sunset, you can see. And oh, and this is just some, I don't really know what's in here. Okay, it's like some different works that I'll put in here. So let me see what's in here. So these are some succulents that were in my garden, and I did like plein air style. And this was just for fun, and ink and wash, some leaves. This is an abstract, like little pathways with a little bit of shimmer. That's fun. The colors are bright. I like to sometimes do abstract. This is just with watercolor, and another one that kind of goes with the other one in the pair. And I think gouache, it's got gold leaf. This is a seascape, something fun. Another sea, like cloudy with ocean, and let's see here, and another coral, an abstract, mixed media, with another abstract that I did, and that's an ink and wash. Bye!